everyone, welcome to Suki Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare a restaurant-style creamy paneer butter masala. With this recipe, you can get a very creamy sauce with readily available ingredients at home without using store-bought cream. It's still very rich in taste and flavors. This paneer butter masala is simply delicious with hot rotis and mango lassi by the side. First, to prepare tomato gravy, I have taken 1 onion chopped, 2 large chopped tomatoes, 1 inch ginger chopped, 3 garlic cloves chopped, and few broken cashew nuts, 2 teaspoon poppy seeds soaked in warm water for 15 minutes, and a small butter cube. In a hot pan, add butter, then add onions, saute them until translucent. Add ginger, garlic and cashew nuts. Toss for 1 to 2 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes and required salt. Combine well. Then cook covered until tomatoes turn mushy. The tomato masala is now well cooked. Let them cool down completely, then grind to a smooth paste along with soaked poppy seeds. Filter the ground paste through a sieve to get a smooth gravy. Next, to prepare paneer masala, I have taken 300 grams paneer cubes soaked in warm water for 15 minutes. For whole spices, I have taken bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, jeera and kasuri methi. For spice powders, I have taken turmeric powder, chilli powder, kashmiri chilli powder, coriander powder and kitchen king masala. 1/4 cup thick yogurt, 1 cup full cream milk, some roughly crushed cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon honey, and required butter for cooking. In a hot pan, add butter, add the whole spices, quickly toss for a minute, add the spice powders, toss in low flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the prepared onion tomato gravy. Combine the gravy with the masala. Then cook for 2 to 3 minutes until masala becomes thick. Now beat the yogurt well without any lumps. Add the yogurt to the masala. Combine well. Now cook covered and simmer for 5 minutes. The butter masala is now well cooked. Now add required milk. Combine well. Add required salt for gravy. Mix well. And let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the paneer cubes. Add honey and cardamom powder. Combine well. You can now switch off flame, close and let it rest for 15 minutes for the flavors to combine well. The paneer butter masala is now ready. This has a rich and thick creamy gravy. This gravy will thicken as it cools down. Enjoy with hot roti or rice. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.